With Dutch Boy, achieving one-coat coverage is easy when you follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a one-coat color. Dutch Boy offers hundreds of tested colors with proven one-coat coverage. Explore the full palette of one-coat colors using the color visualizer on our website. Select a few one-coat favorites and then bring 8-ounce samples home. When you're sampling one-coat colors, make sure to use a wall that receives a variety of different light throughout the day for the truest test of color. Step 2. Use premium products. Platinum Plus and Max Bond, our top-of-the-line paints, offer the best coverage and proven one-coat hide. We recommend Platinum Plus for all your interior projects. Its advanced stain shield technology offers exceptional stain resistance, washability, and scrubbability. To achieve one-coat coverage, the right tools are just as important as the right paint. Purdy offers the finest professional applicators for achieving remarkable one-coat results. Locate the applicator guide in the Purdy aisle to help select the right tools for your unique project. Step 3. Apply with confidence. Start out by scraping off any peeling paint and then patch any holes or cracks. Once the patches are dry, use medium grit sandpaper to smooth and level the painting surface. Lightly sand any glossy surfaces to dull. You may need to wipe clean the whole surface, not just the sanded area, to remove any dirt and dust. Be sure to rinse thoroughly before you start to paint. Your final surface should be clean, dull, and dry. Use painter's tape around trim, windows, and doors. Be sure to press the tape down firmly to prevent any paint from bleeding under the edge. Now, you're ready to paint. Use an angled Purdy brush to paint or cut in along the taped edges. If there's a lot of cutting in required, paint only a section of the wall at a time to avoid lap marks. Now it's time to get rolling. Twist and pour paint cans from Dutch Boy come with a built-in spout that makes pouring easy and mess-free. First, make sure you fully load the roller cover with paint. Next, roll out a 3x3 foot section with your roller. Within the square, apply the paint in the shape of the letter N. Fill in the center of the N with horizontal strokes, and then lightly smooth with vertical strokes, staying within the 3-foot square. Repeat the N pattern in the next 3-foot square below the first, working from top to bottom. When the wall is finished, remove the tape while the paint is still damp. This will reduce the possibility of lifting off the fresh paint with the tape. Make sure your walls are dry before moving furniture back against the painted surface. We recommend 10 hours. Mastering our application technique will not only save you valuable time, it will also leave your walls beautifully transformed. All that's left to do is kick back and admire your new room, transformed by Dutch Boy paint and Purdy applicators in just one coat. For more how-to videos, visit dutchboy.com/one-coat paint application.